Thank you for joining us on the all-new Grady-White 386 Canyon. My name's Kit Beaudry, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough and show you some of the great features of this new model. We're going to start at the transom on the 386 Canyon. You will see we're powered with triple Yamaha 450 XTOs, custom painted from Grady-White to match the cream gel coat. Moving in, you will see across the transom, we have dual 35-gallon live wells and a 291-quart refrigerated or freezer fish box. You have a very spacious cockpit on the 386 Canyon, sitting on a 13-2 beam, wide enough. You can do anything you want back here with the dual entryway doors, port and starboard, bringing your fish on, or using the ladder that's stowed underneath me for your guests to go on and off from the beach. You also have down below your Seakeeper and your 5 kW Fisher painted diesel powered generator, powering everything you need on this 386. Moving forward to the leaning post, you will see across here, we have a sink off to port, another sink to center, and you can also do an electric Kenyan grill, your trash can off to starboard. Before we move forward to the helm, up above you see our sure shade, and also we have 18-foot carbon fiber outriggers. Your sure shade's nice for if you're wanting to fish the boat, or if your guests just want to relax back here in the aft portion of the boat. We've made it to the helm. First, you will see 4 helm seats across. All have flip-up bolsters, work independently with footrest as well. At the helm itself, we let our customers pick their electronics. We'll go left to right. You have your autopilot set up, your Fusion Apollo head unit, bow thruster, your start stops, your trim tabs, your Yamaha CL5, your throttles, and your joystick. All of your switches all labeled very neatly across. Grady-White did a phenomenal job on the 386 Canyon. Coming down below, the first thing you'll see off to the port side is the main distribution panel, labeled very nicely. Next, your TV off to port as well. Some storage, a very, very spacious V-berth with a dinette table coming up. Off to the right, a small little galley, microwave, shelving, a sink, and a refrigerator down below. Great for a 38-foot boat. And lastly, a very spacious head. As you walk forward on the bow, the first thing you'll see, rod storage, both port and starboard side, a very relaxing seat in front of the helm, comfortable for 2. And up here on the bow area, you will see electrically actuated seats. You can retract them down or up. You also have a bow table that converts to a complete sun pad. However you'd like to use this boat, you can do it. You could fish it, make this a great casting platform, or you could cruise it with the cushions in place. Lastly, your anchor that is through the hull. A great hatch, everything's cleanly done, stowed away. You have pedals forward, and you also have controls at the helm. Thank you for taking the time today to join us on the all-new Grady-White 386 Canyon. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola, and please like and subscribe for more video and content.